Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have the file, start now. Open Excel's Data tab and choose from text/CSV to import. Select the file and watch the preview to see how columns parse. If Excel guesses wrong, pick Transform to open Power Query and set the delimiter explicitly, comma, tab, semicolon, or a custom character. Once done, choose encoding and header options so columns align. Make sure to load to worksheet or data model, depending on whether you need simple view or advanced cleanup. Now refine the data. In Power Query, select a column and use Split Column by Delimiter. Choose whether to split at each occurrence, leftmost or rightmost, so fields stay correct. Then apply transformations. Trim whitespace, change type to numbers or dates, and replace values for inconsistent separators. Use Add Column for calculated fields and filter rows to remove blanks. Once transformations are stable, click Close and load. This ensures structured tables and reduces downstream errors when you analyze data. Finish by loading the cleaned query back into Excel as a table or directly into a pivot cache. This preserves structure. You should validate by scanning headers and sampling rows to confirm types and alignment. If something is off, you can reopen Power Query or apply text to columns on the sheet for quick, localized fixes. Troubleshooting tip: if parsing fails, inspect for quoted fields, embedded delimiters, or inconsistent row lengths. Then set the correct quote character or use a custom delimiter and reload to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.